Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustle Reliance. On this channel, we're always focused on helping the online money-making community find new and exciting ways to profit by using our PCs and smartphones. In this Sidehustle Snippets, we'll be returning to an application called MYWORLD, as they've recently incorporated a new and exciting way to earn on their platform.
He's back! He's back!
MYWORLD's
Back!
If you haven't signed up already, I've left a link in the description and that'll redirect you to the App Store where you can go and download it and get started. To give a bit of context, MYWORLD was previously known as MyTrees, and it's an application which allows you to start earning for tracking your everyday eco-actions. They're aiming to create a meaningful global impact without any crazy lifestyle changes, which fits my needs pretty well. MYWORLD is actually available on both Android and iOS, so everyone can use it no matter what mobile operating system you are running. So when I last used MYWORLD, you used to be able to earn about £3.75 per month by literally just logging one task per day. But sadly, it wasn't sustainable for MYWORLD.
It didn't last long though.
No.
And to keep offering these high rates with regards to monetary values, they decided to shift to an auction-based model where users have to bid up for vouchers, which is very off-putting, and it sounds really dodgy. But they did pay out when I actually did win an auction. I did have to put a lot of karma points in for that. And this change did push a lot of people away, even ended up pushing me away. But recently I actually heard about this change on MYWORLD, and it's really, really good. So right now, by using the MyTrees application, you can gain an easy $1 a week by logging in and completing one eco action. This can be done within a few clicks. It's literally 3 or 4 clicks to do. Log in, click an eco action, and then it'll track for today. It's that easy. Once you've tracked the day's activities, you can start to earn karma points, and you'll need 30 karma points per week to earn this $1. This is normally done by just doing these actions about every day, but you need to make sure you hit a 7-day streak. Once you've hit the 7-day action streak by logging in every day and completing an eco action, you can then think about cashing out. So once you've hit this 7-day streak and you've got 30 karma points, head over to the rewards tab, then click on gift cards and choose PayPal. This will actually add $1 to your MYWORLD balance, and then you can head to the home tab and click on the balance icon and then bank it and select PayPal. And there you go, you'll get an easy $1 sent to yourself every single week by completing these actions every day. So you may be thinking, how sustainable is this going to be though? In the past, MYWORLD backtracked and they've changed their entire process, and to be fair, I don't know how long this is going to last, and that's why I'm doing a quick side hustle snippets for this. You can earn $1 per week by doing 6 clicks a day. That's 2 cents per click at this current time. I think it's worth getting on this as soon as you can. You don't want to miss out on this free money. It is so easy to do, and it's so quick. One big thing though, which has changed since MYWORLD's initial conception, is they started to incorporate advertisements and ads into their platform.
It's been losing money hand over fist for years now.
This means that they can get some money back for people who are using it, so it's not going to be solely based on their own balance sheet. So they're going to be able to kind of like create a bit of a buffer between money they're going out and money coming in. You know, they're going to get a bit more control over that, and it means they're not going to be losing as much money. So that makes me think it could last for a long time, this application. Another way to earn on MYWORLD though is by entering draws. So every time you complete an eco action, your name will automatically get entered into this draw to potentially earn more money in the long run. A lot of the prizes vary from, like, maybe you can win a free tree. They'll plant a free tree in your name. Or you can win cash value up to like $5 or something. It's not much, but it's there, and you could potentially profit from using MYWORLD if you're going to enter these draws and you do win these draws. If you've enjoyed this side hustle snippet, please let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. On screen right now are 2 of my most recent videos. But yeah, I'll be coming back to you guys shortly with some new videos. Take care, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, evening, and all that. Take care.